What's up everyone, it's Outdoor Pete. We're finally back out here and I'm so excited to be here. We've got our hot tent set up. We've got the Famali Solo hot tent. And we've got the Famali Hex Plus hot tent. This is a nice location on some state land we have in our area. I've got my hot tent pretty much set up. I'm gonna finish setting it up here real quick.
This down, so watch out. Keep going back. Keep going back.
Nice. I got a little wood cut up, not even probably close for enough for the whole night. It's already, what time is it?
Like 3.
3? It's gotta be more than that, right?
About an hour daylight.
Yeah, we got about an hour daylight left. I just gotta keep getting wood and clean up around the tent. And we're probably gonna get a fire going and cook up something good for dinner. Hey, what are we eating tonight?
Chicken and rice, dog.
Go! Alright, good. Maybe if we were smarter, I'd have figured that out.
Alright, my turn.
Nice clean. Nice clean cut. Want a fruit thing, Pete?
Solar powered.
I'm good.
You don't want it? Fruit snack?
So we're cooking up a little chicken stir fry. We're putting tamari soy sauce in it.
It's just 1 teaspoon, actually.
Start sticking to it.
Yeah. Fine. Move it. It's good dry. Okay, that's good. Look at that. We have way too much rice. No, we don't. Hurry up.
That is so good. Oh my
Is it?
god.
Oh lordy. Oh, it's spicy too.
Dude, it's the perfect amount of spice. Wow, that's nice. Take all the rest of the rice.
I didn't take any of it, barely.
This is steaming. Look at it. Aren't you? Yes, I am.
Yes,
Dude, it's cold out.
I know.
Like my hands, I can't even feel them.
I can get my hands on right next to the fire. I can.
Arr.
Dude, this is not gonna be a lot to split, honestly.
I'm trying to throw it out the side. Jeez.
So warm. Can't wait. Backwards walk it.
Why the wind's blowing that way?
No, the wind's blowing to my back. Oh, shoot. That was close. I got burnt there.
Put the plate in?
If there's rice in it, it'll spill. It's not perfect.
I feel it coming down.
Hopefully it doesn't freeze. It should. Maybe let it boil. Let the water boil it.
We get a few inches of snow tonight. That would be so awesome. So awesome. It is 8 o'clock right now. I just restocked the fire. You can barely see it right there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough wood for tonight. Right there's my wood for tonight. I'm hoping it'll last me till about 6 a.m. So we still got a good 10 hours left. I will check back in a few hours. Good night. It's midnight right now. That's the wood we've got left. See if it'll get us to morning. Here we go. What? Yeah. Did you? You want me to come help you? Getting some good snow out here. I just stocked the fire up one last time. I think I'm gonna let it burn out until morning. I'll have enough wood for breakfast in the morning. We're getting a good amount of snow. It's awesome.
Me and Outdoor Pete. Yeah, this guy didn't cut enough wood. He had to stop. He had to stop burning it midnight last night.
I slept all the way through though. All the way.
Yeah, we did too. But guess what? We were and you weren't.
From like 12.
Warm. Not even close.
You boys ready to throw an egg in or what? Who's eating first?
That's big.
Watch. Watch and learn.
You get 2 eggs.
Watch, boys.
Oh my lordy lord.
Wow. Look at that. That's a one-hand crack, boy.
A little soggy still.
And finally, look at that. Crack it on the side of the stove. Got it. Conclude the first hot tech camping trip of this winter. Now all that's left to do is just pack out of here and head back home. I plan on having a really big winter like last winter of videos. So if you guys could share this video and like it up, I'd really appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time on another episode of Outdoor Pete. It is definitely really cold out.
Hopefully I got out of the frame. I didn't stop.